You see what me about to tell you now? Some of you go get it. Some of you go cuss me feet. And some of you I go wake up. But me have to say it to you. This is not about politics. So when you hear me, understand that. This is about a spiritual war. And if you don't wake up right now, my people, your grandchildren and your great-grandpicnic them are going to become the new generation of plantation workers. Right here upon Jamaica land. Right here so a yard. When you think we're free? You're mad. I want to ask yourself this. How much people in Jamaica really own land? Me not talk squatting. Me a talk title. And even with title, you're not even an owner. You're a land holder. Hear what me say? Not owner, holder. So ask yourself this question. Who you hold the land for? You're holding it for the crown? You're holding it for the state? You hold it for the same colonial thief them who thief your land from your ancestor. You ever ask yourself this question? Why Jamaicans who born upon this land still need to go to government to prove say them own the land? Why the land your granny dead pan? Yes, the one your granny dead pan. You can't even build pan it without permission. And why the water supply is still controlled by foreign companies? Ask yourself why you need a JP, a liar, a surveyor, and a miracle just to put up one house pan a land where you live pan for generation. Me tell you, my brother and sister, the whole thing is rigged. Them give you title some of you and then take away your power. Them tell you say you free and then handcuff you with paperwork. Them say Jamaica is a land of wood and water, yet them privatize and sell out every damn tree and dam. Now let me talk about one of the most touchy thing. You still a vote for green and orange. Same plantation, just new uniform. Every election, it's just the same colonizer choosing which foreman him go use for beat you next. And now in 2025, Jamaica full up of developers buying out the land for foreign use. Highways getting named north to south, but only goes in one direction, out of your hand. When you see what go on in St. Thomas, Negril and Mobile, the beach them gone and the mountainside had dig down. And the same politician them are the one who sign the paperwork. Then turn around and tell poor people about squatter demolition. You never ask yourself something else? Why Jamaica have 14 parishes full of borders? Why we split the people them into little boxes? Parish councils, zozos, election boundaries. Sounds like divide and rule all over again. Same way all them split up Africa in our lines. Yes, the one that will split up Africa, people who never even step on the soil. Are the same colonial map system them have at Jamaica. Same mental borders. Same silence from a people, my people, who are just too damn tired, too hungry, too hopeless to even see the trap. Wake up, my brothers and sisters. Wake up, Jamaica. We are being recolonized. You can't own your land. You can't farm without permission. You can't build without approval. You can't even drink rainwater in some parishes without permission or a permit. And a freedom that, abolish slavery. 2025 there. And guess what? The party where una go vote for. No love una, me no business which one. Cause them done sign over on the future already. With every IMF deal, every Chinese contract, every Canadian developer, every tourist resort on the land that should have been community farms. Me done talking nice, you know. If Jamaican people no rise up now, me not talk for go they go riot, you know. Me a talk for reclaim. Me not talk for beg. Me a talk about for one. And definitely me not talk about go get up and vote for more chains pound no hands and no foot. But for burn the whole damn cage down. Yes, if you don't wake up by 2030, on a picnic, I gonna be workers pan a land that should have fed their great grandparents. Working 12 hours for a boss that can't even pronounce your name. And still can't get no title for the land where them born pan. When you don't need no title for no land where no blood already claim, you know. When if you burn the system and reclaim on a birthright. Or end up back in chains.